Success is not just about willpower, plans, or the right actions. The real breakthrough happens when cooperation kicks in. There are two levels of cooperation. The first is external, collaboration between people. When you unite with those who share your vision, something extraordinary emerges. A state called superconsciousness, or the mastermind. It's more than just teamwork. It's when a group creates something none of them could achieve alone. Your energy amplifies one another. You become stronger together. Imagine a business team or a creative group where everyone complements each other, sparking innovation and growth. This kind of cooperation builds lasting bonds and moves the world forward. But there's a deeper level: internal cooperation. This is the collaboration between your conscious and subconscious mind. While your conscious mind analyzes, thinks, and doubts, your subconscious simply acts. It shapes reality based on what you feed it, your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Let's compare it to a simple situation. When you go to bed intending to wake up at a specific time, your conscious desire programs your subconscious. And amazingly, the next morning, your subconscious wakes you up right on cue. This little experiment shows how this inner mechanism works. To better understand how these two forms of cooperation work together, let's look at our nervous system. The cerebrospinal system governs conscious processes, sensations, movements, speech. It's our protective shield, activating willpower and logic. The sympathetic system handles automatic processes, digestion, tissue regeneration, and vital functions that run without our input. This is the subconscious system, ensuring stability and core functions. Between these systems lies a bridge, the vagus nerve. It connects brain activity to organ function, allowing subconscious processes to influence the conscious mind, and vice versa. This mechanism mirrors how our personal efforts and deep inner processes collaborate to achieve a goal. And when these two forces start working together, not against each other, not in conflict, magic happens. Your thinking becomes clear, your intuition becomes sharp, your actions become precise, and your results become inevitable. This is the first step toward true power and true success. Look at great leaders. Elon Musk doesn't build rockets alone. He unites engineers, designers, and dreamers. Oprah Winfrey became an icon because she built a team that shared her vision. No genius reaches the top solo. They create teams where everyone adds their unique spark. Take a cool coffee shop, for example. The barista brews espresso, the manager handles inventory, and the marketer spreads the word about that perfect flavor. Alone, they'd struggle, but together they create a place you return to every day. Or think of a soccer team. The goalkeeper, the striker, the coach, each has a role, and only together do they win the trophy. It's a law of nature. Bees build hives, wolves hunt in packs. Even your smartphone is the result of thousands of people combining ideas, skills, and efforts. Cooperation isn't weakness, it's a superpower. Google spent years researching what makes teams effective. Project Aristotle. The key? Not talent or experience, but psychological safety. In teams where people feel trusted, share ideas freely, and aren't afraid to fail, the best solutions are born. For instance, the Google Cloud team holds regular brainstorming sessions where everyone from engineers to marketers can pitch ideas. This approach helped create game changers like Google Maps. Pixar invented a unique system called the Brain Trust, a group of directors and writers who meet regularly to review projects. There's no hierarchy. Anyone can critique or suggest ideas. During the making of Toy Story 3, the Brain Trust turned a rough script into a masterpiece by adding emotional depth. This synergy has powered Pixar to create blockbusters that earned billions and won 23 Oscars. Practical step? Gather your own mastermind group. Pick 3 to 5 people with diverse skills who share your goal. Hold a no-hierarchy meeting. Let everyone share one idea. Write down how those ideas build on each other. Now think, who in your circle could be your dream partner? Maybe a friend who always sees possibilities, or a colleague who knows how to make things happen. Take a step today. Message them, share your idea, invite them to collaborate. As Helen Keller said, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Cooperation doesn't just multiply your strength, it brings joy, peace, and true success. There are people who only dream, and their ideas stay in the clouds. There are those who take dreams and turn them into reality, building cities, writing music, launching rockets. And then there are true heroes who both dream and act, changing the world around them. Which one are you? Steve Jobs often spoke of intuition as the key to innovation. He meditated to align his conscious and subconscious mind, helping him see opportunities where others saw only obstacles. For example, the idea for the iPhone came from his gut feeling that a phone could be more than just a gadget. This inner clarity empowered him to lead Apple's team to create revolutionary products. Practical step: try the morning intention exercise. Before bed, write down one goal for tomorrow, like, I'll nail that presentation. Visualize yourself achieving it. Your subconscious will tune in for success, making your morning more productive. Add 5 minutes of laughter or music daily. It reduces stress and syncs your mind with your body. Look at Thomas Edison. He dreamed of light in every home and worked tirelessly until he invented the light bulb. J.K. Rowling saw Harry Potter in her mind, but it was her persistence that turned her dream into a book the world adores. A dream without action is just an illusion. What's holding you back? Often, it's laziness, when your mind dozes off and your body loses energy. But here's a secret. Movement awakens power. Try something simple. Take a 15-minute walk, dance to your favorite song, or do a quick stretch. Feel your body's cells come alive as laziness melts away like fog. Your body is your ally. Don't poison it with overeating or junk food, like white bread with zero nutrients. Instead of popping a pill for a headache, try drinking water, breathing fresh air, or adding veggies to your dinner. Small changes work wonders, but the biggest enemy of action is your mind when it's full of worries. Fear, envy, doubt, they're like brakes, stalling your engine. Want magic? Laugh. Yes, just laugh, even if it feels forced at first. 5 minutes of laughter and your brain reboots, ready for big things. Try it right now. Smile and feel the difference. Every thought you have is a signal that shapes your actions. Think of failure? Your body slows down. Think of victory? You're already halfway there. As Napoleon Hill said, whatever your mind can conceive, you can achieve. Your dream starts with a thought. Make it a strong one. What makes you a person of action? It's not just moving your body, it's the fire in your soul. Your mind can be a volcano of ideas, even when you're sitting still. And when your mind and body work together, you become unstoppable. Are you a dreamer or someone who makes dreams real? Look at Steve Jobs. He dreamed of tech that would change the world, but stayed in the office while his team built the iPhone. Or Henry Ford, his mind was a dynamo planning the assembly line, while workers' hands were the flywheel bringing it to life. Success is the balance of thought and action. There are two types of people: caretakers who keep everything under control, and spark pluggers who ignite others. Picture a great bakery. One person bakes the bread, another sells it with a smile. One without the other is nothing. You don't need to be everything, just find your role. But how do you become a person of action? Here's your plan. 1. Tackle the toughest task first. It's like jumping into cold water, scary at first, but you'll feel proud after. 2. Remind yourself daily. Write on a sticky note, don't say you can, show it. And stick it where you'll see it every morning. 3. Say before bed, tomorrow I'll do what needs doing, starting with the hardest. Repeat it 12 times, it'll charge your brain. 4. Act with faith. Picture every step bringing you closer to your dream. 1. Set a goal. What do you want to change? In your life or the world? Write it down. 2. Build a team. Who can help? A friend, colleague, mentor. Reach out to them. 3. Add music. Play your favorite song before work. It'll charge your energy. 4. Act with faith. Picture your goal as already real and take the first step. Know what drives people? 3 things: the desire to survive, to love, and to succeed. Find what ignites your team, a dream, an idea, or a shared victory. As Helen Keller said, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Want life-changing success? Picture yourself as a general leading an army, where every soldier is a quality driving you to victory. Here are your 15 unstoppable warriors: a clear goal, confidence, thrift, imagination, initiative, enthusiasm, self-control, going the extra mile, charisma, sharp thinking, focus, cooperation, learning from failure, tolerance, and the golden rule. Ready to rally them all and become unbeatable? A clear goal is your top general. Without it, you're a ship adrift, tossed by the waves. Oprah Winfrey knew she wanted to inspire the world, and every show brought her closer to that dream. Nelson Mandela dreamed of equality, and his goal moved mountains. Decide what you want, and nothing will stop you. Look at your army. Confidence, your shield. Believe in yourself like Elon Musk believed in space travel. Imagination, your compass. It sketched out Tesla before it even existed. Enthusiasm, your engine. Picture a coffee shop where the barista's smile lights up the room. It energizes everyone. Failure, your teacher. Every rejection J.K. Rowling faced brought her closer to Harry Potter. So, how do you rally this army? Here's your action plan for today. 1. Define your goal. Ask yourself, what do I want in 5 years? Write it down. 2. Act with enthusiasm. Play a favorite song and take the first step toward your dream. 3. Learn from failure. Think of your last setback. What did it teach you? 4. Team up. Find a friend or colleague to share your journey. Each of these 15 qualities is a brick in your temple of success. Imagine, you're building a palace where every habit is a sturdy pillar. Focus keeps you sharp, cooperation brings allies, and the golden rule makes you a leader people respect. Know what Napoleon Hill said? Whatever the mind can conceive, it can achieve. Your goal is a magnet, pulling in opportunities, people, and resources, but without discipline, it's just a dream. You're the general of your destiny. Lead your army. Challenge. Pick one of the 15 qualities, like focus or confidence, and work on it today. What did you choose? Share in the comments. Let's inspire each other. You were born for greatness. Gather your strength and act now. On fire.